Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know we've been silent for a while. I had the flu, I was out of it. I watched a lot of Netflix, watched a lot of a show called Travelers. I can't even tell you what it's about because I was in like some weird medicated daze. So I've tried to post every once in a while and do things on social media stuff, but like it doesn't make any sense. Anyway, I've come back out of it. I'm back in the office. So, we really didn't do anything saying New Year's or Happy New Year's or anything in that space. So on behalf of Jeff and myself, Happy New Year's, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bit different. I'm not going to do a topic of any sort. All I wanted to do is tell you guys thank you very much. I wanted to tell you how much we appreciate everything that this channel means as a community. It's a very big deal to us. Obviously, we enjoy the interaction, but I mean, well, to be honest with it, like let's go back just a little bit. I started in this business for one reason and one reason only, and that was to help people silence their cell phones. I started in this business to help people. That's what I really wanted to do. I wanted to do it through stories, and so I got really blessed. I had a chance to do movies. I've done a bunch of features. Blah blah blah. That's not the point. The point of that is that that stuff started to feel stale, and it didn't feel like I was helping, and I wasn't providing anything that I wanted to do. Part of my own personal, my heart was not being connected to it. The art was there, the creative was there, the technical, as we all love, was there, but my heart was not there in the helpful side of it. So this channel is really an outlet for me, in some small little selfish way, is an outlet for me to try and help, and it offers as much information as I can, especially when it's stuff I come across that's new to me. And so we share it and we go that route. Now then you have Jeff, who has this extreme wealth of knowledge thanks to his mighty, powerful beard when it comes to posting, color, and camera. I mean, Jeff is, dadgummit, he's super smart. He's not in the room right now, so he's not going to hear how complimentary I'm going to be. But I mean, he's like a brother to me, and I love him dearly. But even on a brainwave level, the guy is just tremendously brilliant. So I say all that to say we both had ideas of what we wanted from this channel and when it started. And now what it's become, this community, this group, is truly awesome. So I just wanted to say on behalf of CRFTSHO and the entire community, thank you all so very much. Without you, none of this would mean anything. It truly is something really special. I mean, it really is. It's special to us. I mean, the fact that we put in the time, despite how tired we are, we put in the time to make sure there's content that, hopefully inspires. But it's not just, again, that sounds like a sales pitch. It's not. It's just, we like interacting with you guys. We like the live streams tons. The live streams are so much fun because it's direct interaction. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys thank you. Upcoming this year, we're going to try and step things up a bit. Pay a little more attention. I know we get kind of lazy when we're doing the blog stuff. We're going to try and make those look more cinematic, or whatever the heck the term is on the internet they use, those kids use. We just want to give you guys the best content we can, and we'll figure out ways of doing it. We're still going to get some lens tests done. We're still going to do some other bits. Yeah, we started out GH5, and we're very grateful for that, and we're grateful for the push that Panasonic gave us. But in reality, we're filmmakers, so we want to spread the topics out. So we're going to try and push out even more. And damn the views, who cares? At the end of the day, all we want to do is put out relevant content. So make sure you just give us feedback. Tell us what you want. Tell us what you want to see. Seriously, throw it in the comments. Shoot us an email if you don't want to say it. If you feel silly asking the question, or can you guys talk about this? I have no shame. I don't really care. The internet means nothing to me in terms of that stuff. Like, I just don't care. I have a business that we run, and our work is the proof that we know what we're talking about. So tell me, and I'll ask the question, or I'll pose the question, or I'll do whatever I got to do to help tell the story. So if you want to shoot us info, Drew@CRFTSHO.com, Jeff@CRFTSHO.com, throw it in the comments. We'll be there. We're looking forward to this year, really pushing the ante, seeing what we can all do together. Ideas, thoughts, problems, let's throw them out there. Let's challenge each other as you guys have challenged us. We're so grateful for that, by the way. I mean, just, gosh, so grateful for it. Let's keep challenging each other and pushing ahead. And yeah, let's make 2018 our... I don't know what that means. But I did want to talk about one explicit thing that's coming up. Yeah, so this is probably not the like, subscribe, share kind of video you're looking for. This is more of like a, hey, we love you. That's what this is. This is a hey, we love you video. So there's probably some other videos posted up around here, but really all we want to do is just say, hey, we love you and thank you for everything. See ya. I don't know what that face was. It seems kind of devious.